Hello there, Ken Gracie here. I would like to clarify the process for submitting an object so we can redistribute it back to all the Propeller 2 users. And what I'm telling you is the current state of things today on June 25th, 2020, start date 47,634.44. Okay, so this will change as the system evolves, and I will update this first post. Before I start, we have already received objects in from forum member Ale in Sweden, and it's a WAV file player that can mix 32 audio streams together to produce CD quality stereo sound using a single cog. So thanks for that. Also, Johnny Mac is about ready to submit 2 objects that work with the demo board. So we're encouraging all of you to support or to create these objects and submit them so we can share them back. We'd like to host these objects on our GitHub forever so others can use them and learn from them. And we want the process to be practical and non-intimidating because we're aware that there's a lot of good content being produced and some of it is not being shared, which is fine. It's totally up to the authors. But if you would like to share, this is what we suggest. First, create and test your object. Your object can fill a place in our list of objects, or it could be something totally unique not on that list. You can develop in the open, on the forum, or using a repository privately. It's your choice. You can follow your own style, or you can use our recommended style guidelines. So don't stress to make it perfect, but make it work, make it useful, helpful, and write code that exhibits a learning opportunity for others and yourself along the way. Next, you can submit your object to us. There are 3 ways to do this. First, the simple approach is to take all your resources, any documentation, demonstration code, video links if you haven't, zip them up, and then send them by email to developer@parallax.com, and we will add it to the Propeller repository. The second approach, and this is more intermediate for GitHub experienced users, take that same resource package and then submit it as a GitHub new issue on our Propeller repository instead of using email. Or third, and this is a more advanced approach, you can fork the Propeller 2 repository and then add, commit, push, and make pull requests for your changes. And that is also on our GitHub. So you've got 3 ways. You can email developer@parallax.com with your zip file. You can make a new issue on our GitHub, or you can actually fork the repository. So let's suppose you want to get code. Where do you go to get code examples? Because at the moment it's not so clear. I'll tell you where they are. They're currently hosted on github.com/parallaxinc/propeller, right here. And you can see from looking at the Propeller 1 how we will eventually categorize the Propeller 2. So let's see if this works and if we can get this started. We're all in the P2 together and would like to start building the code base. You can leave your comments here or contact me directly. And again, this is a starting point for June 25, 2020. It remains in effect until we improve our process. Thanks.